So do you want to know number one secret in the online coaching business, consulting business or online entrepreneurship? That is the finding your money making niche. Okay, finding your money making niche in the sense क्योंकि right now if you start your business on the internet, you need to work in the specific topic, specific specialty, and then only you can win. Okay, if you want to come into top 4% or top 10%, and then you need to find the money making niche. Okay, in this video exactly I will be sharing you more than 130 plus online niches, online topic which you can pick up and build your digital expert business, build your online empire, and share your message, share your product, share your journey online. Okay, so that is going to be this in this video. So first of all, please pay full attention, and I will be sharing you top 100 plus topics. Okay, so watch this video till the end. In case you are not subscribed to channel, click on the button below right now and make a lot of notes. Okay, so let me show you in this video. Let me take you on my screen. Before that one, let me tell you my friend. Okay, so let me tell you, after working with hundreds and hundreds of entrepreneur, trainer, coaches, मैंने एक ही चीज discover की है. They need to know niche, their specialty, their micro niche, micro topic. And in this video, in this live training, I will be decoding all from my paid program. This syllabus, this topic will be from one of my paid program, and I will be giving you absolutely free. Okay, watch till the end. So let me take you to my screen and let me show exactly what we are going to cover. So here we go. The first, my friend, how to find your money making niche, money making topic on the online entrepreneurship journey, online coaching business, online expert business. Very important part, right? So yeah, and you might be somebody, you are just getting started. But you might be thinking, Datta, if I want to start online, I don't know my topic, I don't have any specialty, or you are already doing, but you are not making profit, you want to grow to the next level. Then this is the first step on your journey, that is positioning yourself uniquely, so dominate in the market. Okay, that is important part. So let's understand here concept. So first, that there are three concepts. First, I always share, if you find your niche, your subtopic, that will help you to position yourself in the market as a unique, because I will be sharing exact formula in this particular video step by step. Second part, less competition. If you work in your unique zone, मतलब आप आपके unique specialty में काम करते हो, so there is a less competition, and I will give you the live example also. Better marketing. Okay, see, I am a great I do like my marketing growth consultant. I'm helping so many people to grow their business through marketing strategies, Facebook. But you know, guys, the number one thing, what happens? Most of the people, they don't know their niche. I think they are working like trying to target everyone, and they don't target anybody. But if you work in the niche, if you work in the subtopic, sub-market, there is the money. Okay, so your marketing become better profit. If your marketing is better, you are targeting right people, right customer, then your marketing, there is a profit, right? If you are doing marketing properly, you are getting right people, उसके बाद में वहाँ पे आपको फिर profits buying. Okay, so that is the one thing. So without any further delay, guys, if you are excited, let me share you more than top 100 plus niches which you can pick up anyone. And सबसे important बात, you can run with anything. Don't think too much. I will be sharing you top topics, whatever I have, but whatever you are doing right now in the topic in your business, you can position yourself in that way. Okay, so here we go. Let me show you top 100 niches. So there are three ways. First of all, there are three ways. Let me share something here. There are three ways to find your micro niche, and there are main streams, main topics. Okay, so what are the main topics? Let me share you step by step. Here we go. So I will be going through one by one, like business growth, career growth, health and wellness, make money, relationships, art and craft, and personal development. So I need one commitment from you. You just make a lot of notes, and by end of this video, what is your 3 words? You need to pick up those 3 words. Okay, and I would like you to, आप नीचे comment box में share करो. What is your 3 topics? Like आपका main topic क्या है? Second sub niche क्या है? Micro niche क्या है? That I will be sharing in this video. But you just pay attention. I will be scrolling quickly. I will be sharing step by step so that आपको पता चले कि कौन से topics है, whether you find or not. And I will be explaining also how do you do that. Okay? So deal. Let's go. So let's go one by one. Here we go. First, business growth. So दोस्तों business growth, there are many subtopics. Like if you are if you are somebody, you are thinking like, yeah, Datta, I am the business growth consultant. See, still you need to find your sub niche. Like in the business, there are many topics, right? Like sales, branding, marketing, operation, people, finance, research, and there are so many. Okay, there are so many functions. Where do you fit? Where do you have experience or you are interested in? That you need to pick up one. Okay, what is, guys? One. You have to pick up one there. So let me tell you example here. In case you are a business growth expert, then you have to choose one, like sales, branding, marketing, operation, anything. Okay, whatever maybe the different HR and so many things. Like people means HR, right? So if I am a somebody business growth, what I can tell you here, how to position yourself like uniquely. You can tell business growth. You help business owner to grow their business through sales, increasing their sales. And guys, there is a micro niche. As I told you, there is a third level micro niche, like lead generation or automated selling, phone sales, funnel sales, video sales, one-to-one, webinar. So many things are there. So you can tell you like, I am a business growth. I can help business owner to grow their sales through phone call or funneling or video or one-to-one sales or webinar, something like that one. So that is your micro niche. Guys, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? That's how you make money. Okay, suppose you are a business growth, you can help people to grow their business through branding. Again, in branding also, like branding concept, like conceptualization, design, dosto, branding, communication. There is a micro, like if I am somebody, the branding expert, I can tell you I am a business growth consultant. I am a branding expert. I help businesses to grow their business through like brand designs or brand storytelling. That is the micro niche. Like brand storytelling is the micro niche, and there is the money. If you see secret on the internet, wahi hai dosto. Okay, pick one. If you are watching this video, I know that one. If you are seeing the live here on the Facebook or on YouTube, please make a note. So just like that one, business growth. Let me go through. So many things are there. Marketing, you see, digital marketing, like in digital marketing also there are so many topics. Influencer, email marketing, social media, Facebook, and there are so many subtopics, right? Advertising like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. You can teach in the marketing also. You can position yourself as digital marketing plus micro niche Facebook expert. That I do also, right? So that how you position yourself uniquely. Offline marketing like print, radio, like then display store, public relationship, referral marketing. Okay, so many things are like operation, project tracking, time tracking, digital systems. उसके बाद में है people like recruitment, team building, efficiency, finance like business finance, taxation, financial like systems, research, future proofing, new innovations, influencer, as I told you, like industries. There are many industries in the business also. You might be expert in manufacturing industry, distribution industry, retail industry, service industry, franchisee industry, aggregator like Uber or Ola or Airbnb, like that. Okay, I hope you are making notes. These are subtopics. Guys, did you find something here? If you are a business expert, I hope you find that one, right? In case you did not find, please watch this carefully. So now let's move to the second category here. Career growth दोस्तों. Career growth के अंदर there are two categories. Working professional आप help कर सकते हो and student. And there are two sub categories also. Like in career growth also, soft skill, hard skill. Soft skill के अंदर क्या आता है? Leadership, communication, time management, behavioral skills, conflict resolution, team building, creative thinking, networking, problem solving. Basically in career growth also, you can teach this topic. You can create your products and services around these topics. Like if you are a career growth expert, you need to choose either you are going to help working professional or student dosto. If you are helping students, then pick one subtopic like leadership skills. You might be leadership expert or communication expert or time management expert, productivity expert, like that one. Okay, that's I call it micro niche. And hard skill like technical skill होता है, system skills, subject matter expertise, specific software, programming, and so many things. Student के लिए आप सिखा सकते हो like languages, Hindi, English, physics, chemistry, geography, biology, math, and so many things that you can teach, right? So guys, this list is not limited. In case you are doing any special skills, my intention from this video to tell you here, आपको uniquely कैसे position कर सकते हो. That is my intention. Okay, so just focus on your micro niche, focus on subtopic. That's where the money is. Okay, so next guys, लेट मी टेल यू हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस. इनकेस आप हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस के अंदर हो, so there are two sub categories, problem and methods. I have given some examples here, but there are hundreds of topic you can do. Problems, like for example, like weight loss, blood pressure, diabetics, stress, like muscular pain, and so many other diseases are there. तो आप कौन सा भी कैटेगरी आप वो कर सकते हो. मेथड्स like yoga, detox, meditation, posture, intermittent fasting, mindfulness, crystal healing, nutrition. Suppose you are a health and wellness coach, your subtopic can be yoga. Micro topic can be like yoga for pregnant woman, yoga for working professional, yoga for business owner, etc. Okay, so I am giving some example here, but definitely there are more topics. But keep in mind this one, जितना आप deep जाएंगे, जितना आप micro niche पे काम करेंगे, उतना there is a growth. Okay, then दोस्तों third है make money. So like make money in the sense like stock trading, affiliate marketing. I also do because I get thousands of dollars I earn through affiliate marketing. Consulting, I do one-to-one consulting. I am basically in make money online niche. Coaching is a booming industry, $3 billion industry, and that's why I teach also. Network marketing, you can teach network marketers how to grow their business online. आप खुद के business में implement करो. In case you are somebody network marketer, so you can learn this one and you can teach other people also. Freelancing, real estate, insurance, drop shipping, offline business, info product like digital courses. I am also having digital courses. That is a beautiful business. Okay, investing, sales, digital coaching. So basically there I make money online. I am doing right now multiple things like, but I started with one, and those are all rest of the things are interconnected. Okay, make money online. Fifth, fifth है relationships. If you want to help somebody in the relationships, that also you can do that one. Like dating, marriage, getting ex back, parenting, sex related problems. So many things you can do, right? Art and craft. So art and craft, like you can do so many things like music, dance, painting, marital arts, cooking, farming. So many things you can do there also. Okay. Yes, and like craft, interior design, decoring, sewing machine, hobbies, cooking. You can also teach cooking also online. So there are many topics like video creation and so many things like video creation, video making. So many examples are there. You can do that one. Seventh category, personal development. Like personal development, like manifestation, quitting, procrastinating, astrology, hypnosis, magic. See guys, like numerology, paranormal, physics, religion, tarot, witchcraft, reiki, and so many topics are there. So if you discuss, if you talk about like that, I'm a personal development coach. Dost, my friend, अभी गली में coaches, trainers, personal developments are there. But if you expert, like if you position yourself like hypnosis expert or astrologer or reiki, numerologist, something like that one, there is a money. Don't like coach. Be in the expert in specific topic. Okay. So these are some ideas I have given you guys. So now you can pick anything. I have shared so many ideas, and I hope that is going to help you. Okay. Now there is a thumb rule, dosto. I want to talk about. You might be thinking that this my topic is not there. Okay. So let me tell you here, whatever the topic you are doing, but these are the 6 main categories. See in which category you come under. Go down in that particular topic and do that one. Suppose if you take my example, I'm a make money online topic. Like I like to help, I stand for the freedom. I like to help people to build, like get business on autopilot mode. Okay, basically automation is my theme. So that my all products are automation. But guys, that automation theme is there. But I'm helping like trainer, coaches, online entrepreneurs, business owner to take their business on autopilot mode. Okay, I meant to say get online, build your online products. Get traffic online, convert them through online systems, and ultimately I am there in micro niche. Automation is my micro niche. I am doing other things around my ecosystem, but those are the topics. Okay, so pick one. And now let me ask you one question. What do you think? What is your top 3 words? You can share in the comment box. What is your 3 words? What do you think? Like whether you got the clarity or not. Share your big paragraph below. Now, before I move forward, let me give amazing tool here. 3 tools, online tools. Normally I don't share, but to find your micro niche, okay, and see the potential. So basically there are 3 topics. You need to see if there is an interest or not, and then see the demand and see the profitability. So how do you see the interest? So guys, there is an amazing tool called this one, keyword research tool. Okay, you can click on this one link. I will be giving those links below in this video. आप वो कर सकते हो. You can go. I will not take too much time, but I will show you the demo here. You can pick up that tool. Okay, so here we go. See, Okay, so suppose this is a brainstorm niche ideas, guys. Very important art. So you can find like yoga. Suppose yoga. You type yoga here. You can type yoga. You will find so many topics here. So many topics like yoga poses, like yoga for weight loss. Suppose I took example yoga for weight loss. You can check on that. You can type any topic. You will find so many subtopic there. And which are, if you see here, like Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, these are the things already hot on the market. You can easily find them. Like you can find the blogs, post, finding ideas. So many things are there, like niches. What are the micro topics? In case you are confused, you can do this. You can use Google Trend also. Like I'm telling you, yoga for weight loss. Suppose yoga for weight loss. This is your topic. Suppose. Then you can go to Google Trend also. Second tool I want to share here, Google Trend. आप demand देख सकते हो Google Trend पे जाके. Like Google Trends. You can go to the Google Trend here. Second, Google Trend. Okay, Google Trends. In case you have any question, post your questions. Go to the Google Trends and see if there is a demand. I mean to say, live अभी online लोग search कर रहे हो regarding that keyword. So let me select your country here. हम लोग यहाँ पे country select कर सकते हैं. Suppose India. Let me give India here. India. I'm giving India. Type your topic like yoga for weight loss. See the demand there. How many people are looking for it? See guys, there is a huge demand. If you see, India, I'm talking about so many, more than 100 plus daily searches are there. See here, like Delhi, top states also there. Goa mein zyada hai, Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Delhi. You can find so many things, right? And there is like power up yoga poses. So many things are there. In case you want, you have some or deeper like yoga for weight loss, or you can find like yoga for stress management or stress relief. Suppose if you have any other topic you want to like see which is having more demand. If you see here, these are the like trends. The rate is yoga for stress is very less demand, but yoga for weight loss is a huge demand there. Or you can other find like yoga workout also, or like something like become yoga. So many yogas are right. That yoga classes, yoga laptop, yoga course, yoga mat online. So many things are there. Yoga poses, yoga workout. Just go and type more, get more. Like you can go in the comparison, add comparison keyword. आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. So yoga workout. If you see here, yoga workout is also there. But at the top, yoga for weight loss is very important. So you can do that one also. Yoga for weight loss, something like that one. Okay. Now I will be telling you one more tool here. If you want to see here, basically whether there is a profitability or not. The third tool I'm giving you, keyword cage. Guys, these tools are very important. नीचे link देने वाला हूँ मैं. You can look for that one. So here we go. Key whether there is a money or not. आप देख सकते हो इसके अंदर. How many people are paying there? So like let's take example कि you have done the verification here. Example आपका टॉपिक कुछ भी हो सकता है. उसके बाद में यहाँ पे आपको जाके डालना है आपका कीवर्ड कि how much whether there is a demand or not. Keyword cage. How much people are paying for that one? आप वहां पे देख सकते हो. Okay, so this is loading right now. So guys, in case you are watching this video, please don't underestimate, because normally I teach in this my paid program, and today I am giving you this absolutely free training on how to find your micro niche, profitable, and build your online empire, win into online. Before doing marketing, before doing selling, anything, yet a tip, if you are a blogger, if you are anything doing you, online space or offline space also, this niche clarity is the biggest thing in the business, and this is a secret also. Okay, a lot of people run behind like how can I get traffic, how can I run the ads, but they are not getting clarity on the topic. We have done the survey for hundreds of people. Okay, so let me take yoga for weight loss. It's loading guys. अब हम लोग यहाँ पे कंट्री भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, इंडिया. सो ऑल राइट. सो दोस्तों मैं यहाँ पे बता रहा था कि आपको कि एग्जैक्टली इस कीवर्ड केज के अंदर आप जो भी कीवर्ड चाहिए वो डाल सकते हो. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि हाउ मच पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग राइट नाउ. यहाँ पे देखो योगा फॉर वेट लॉस. मैंने यहाँ पे बताया कि आपको कि 60,000 प्लस वर्ल्ड वाइड डेली एंड लाइक डेली सीपीसी कॉस्ट पर क्लिक दोस्तों मोर देन $1 वैल्यू. देयर इज मोर देन $68,000. If you see here, like yoga, can yoga lose weights, and so many things, other things are there. But this is very hot. मतलब there is a demand. People are looking for this one. There is a money. Okay. तो मैंने आपको तीन और लाइक डिमांड कितना है गूगल पे देख सकते हो आप. एंड थर्ड, इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट और नॉट, यू कैन यूज दिस कीवर्ड केस टूल एंड एब्सोल्युटली यू कैन make the money also out of that one. Okay, so I shared these 3 tools. नीचे लिंक देने वाला हूं मैं. Click on the next button below. Alright, so let me ask you one question right now. What is your biggest takeaway from this video? Okay, I shared already 100 plus topics, 3 ways to find your niche, and that is a very important part in as an expert, as a consultant, as an entrepreneur, and no matter what you are doing online space, niche is very important part. Okay, so now let me ask you one question. What is your biggest takeaway? Please share your comment below, detailed comment below. I will personally review. आपको इनकेस आपको niche मिला है, आपको topic मिला है, you got some clarity, you got some learning, please do me favor and share your comment below, which really help me to, like, I get motivated, I create more videos for you. Okay, also if you like this video, please share with your friend, business partner, somebody might get benefited. Okay, do that one. I would personally review. Also, in case you are not subscribed to my channel, hit the button below right now and subscribe to my channel right now, okay, so that I can create amazing video. Also now let me ask you a question. I would like to give some special gift. Okay, so here we go. See guys, I have the amazing one of the Autopilot business model. In case you are watching on the YouTube right now, I'm running that one. There is a huge bundle program like niche clarity, video marketing, Facebook traffic, Autopilot business model, digital ecosystem, content domination, curriculum. So many things are there I provide. So there will be you can go to the dattatolle.co/early access. dattatolle.co/early access. नीचे links होगा, you can check out. Also feel free to attend my one of upcoming webinar. There will be link below to dattatolle.co/formula or something like digital growth. Click on that button below. Do that one. I'm giving special training, special discounts also, and so many things, right? So check the detail below and start working with me. Let's work together. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to share your detailed learning below. Paste your question, any question below, so that I can create new video on that topic. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Love you all and stay tuned, stay connected. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, and signing off for today until we meet again. Thank you very much.